Thanks for following along on our Michigan Mobility Challenge project. We're here to share some more updates on how the project is going, including a vehicle design contest we are hosting, where the tech hardware will be in the vehicles, some status updates, and our safety plan analysis. We need a little help deciding on exactly what these autonomous vehicles will look like once the auto show approaches. So we're hosting a vehicle design competition where we're asking graphic designers and Michigan residents to submit their designs for a chance to win $500, as well as have their designs featured on up to 3 autonomous vehicles. Head on over to dataspeed.com/design-contest to learn more and submit your ideas.
We're in the process of testing our autonomous software stack, or we call the brains of the vehicle, on our Ford Fusion. You might wonder why we're not testing on the MV1 right off the bat. Well, we already have the sensors installed on this vehicle, so we can get started testing algorithms here while we continue integrating sensors on the MV1. This is an efficient way for us to work on several areas of engineering in parallel.
So here we have the trunk area of one of our MV1s where we are evaluating different hardware configurations for the upcoming Michigan Mobility Challenge. Mounted on the rack here, in this configuration, we have a ruggedized computer. This is the brains of our entire car, where it will intake all of its sensor data, figure out its visualization of the world, and then determine which path to take through the world. In addition to the computer, we have several of Dataspeed's power distribution systems. Those give electrical power to all of the various components in this car. In addition, we have an Ethernet switch, a DC to AC power inverter, and several CAN breakout boards mounted in various locations, also for communicating with all of our different sensors. We've mapped out where all of our sensors are going to be on the vehicle. Among those, we'll have several Ouster rotary LiDARs. Our forward-facing solid-state Septon LiDAR will be integrated into the front bumper. In addition to our forward-facing LiDAR, we'll have several radars mounted underneath the bumper. On the MV1 roof, we will have various GPS antennas with RTK correction. On the front windshield, there will be several camera systems monitoring lane detection, traffic lights, driver awareness, and also a generic dash cam forwards and passenger-facing camera.
Safety analysis is about figuring out everything that can possibly go wrong with your system and then making sure it doesn't. When Dataspeed took on this project involving the MV1, we knew that safety would be our first priority. Therefore, we began in a very systematic manner of breaking down all the failure modes, understanding all the failure modes, understanding what they can do to the rest of the vehicle, but most importantly, to what it can do to the people in the vehicle and to the people in the operational domain or the operating environment of the vehicle.
Just a few months before the event, the Dataspeed team has been working on perfecting the technology to bring you safe, automated, and accessible transportation. Don't forget to visit dataspeedinc.com/NAIAS for more project info and updates.